Hello, I am doing a video recording about Electrolux brand cordless with lithium-ion rechargeable battery in it, and this is a 2-in-1 vacuum cleaner, and yeah, upright, and also do with the got power brush, swivel head, 2 speeds, there's full speed, that's the low speed, as you can see it, high speed, there's the off. It's even got onboard attachments. Here's the charging stand, the soft brush where you can do dusting with your furniture with it on the handset. That's here for your premises on the handset. That's the handset. The lithium-ion battery is inside there. Then the motor for your suction, and you can really do a lot of cleaning with it. It's about 40 minutes of run time. And you can do a lot of cleaning. It's got a double filter that is easy to clean. Lukewarm, just warm water you wash it with. Mild cleaning soap, and does a terrific job. And so bought at Walmart, pretty reasonable. Yeah, the regular price is $84. Now it's $70-some odd we paid for, so been lowered. I think Electrolux is doing away with this here particular model, but if any other Walmart stores that carry it, still you might check your Walmart to see if they carry it, because it's fantastic. I wouldn't steer you wrong on it. It is the best thing I've ever seen in my entire life. So long for now. This is Bob Howard saying so long. Bye. Hello, I am doing a video recording about Electrolux brand cordless with lithium-ion rechargeable battery in it, and this is a 2-in-1